Hi, in this video I will show you how I cook steaks. I have two beautiful entrecote steaks, however they need trimming to get rid of the silver skin and extra fat. Once I'm happy with them, I pat them dry with a paper towel. I usually season my steaks with salt, freshly ground black pepper and garlic powder on both sides. After seasoning, I let them rest for at least 2 hours. For the mashed potatoes, I peel potatoes and slice them into smaller pieces. This will help me cook them faster. I put them in a pot, top with water and add some salt. To test if they are cooked properly, I poke them with a fork. If it goes in and out smoothly, it means that they are ready. Instead of mashing the potatoes, I'm just using a ricer. A fork or spoon work just fine, but ricer makes it easier. Then I add butter and mix it for a while. After a while I add milk and mix until I'm happy with the consistency. Finally, I add salt and black pepper and mix it a little bit more. As a side dish, I am cooking sugar snap peas. Into a pan I put some olive oil, peas and add salt and black pepper. Later I add lemon juice to give it some acidity and I cook it for 2 or 3 minutes more. At this point my steaks should have absorbed seasoning sufficiently, and the red color of meat is a good sign of that. I insert my thermometer probes towards the middle side of both steaks. Then I put them into the low temperature oven. By low temperature what I mean is 120 centigrade or 240 Fahrenheit degrees. I keep steaks in the oven until they are 5 centigrades lower than my target temperature. In this case my target is 65 degrees, so I took them off at 60 centigrade. After taking them from the oven, I heat up my cast iron pan and sear them on both sides for around a minute. Here the main focus is generating a crust rather than cooking the meat. I let them rest for a minute or two before slicing. In this method you don't need to wait as long as traditional pan searing. As you can see, this method gives me an edge-to-edge pink steak with minimal overcooking. Finally, I put everything on a plate. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. Cheers!